You can reuse caulk saved after months if you seal and store it correctly. To preserve caulk long-term, start by removing as much air from the tube as possible before sealing. Squeeze the remaining caulk forward toward the tip and backfill the nozzle opening with a small plug of the same caulk, then smooth it so air cannot re-enter. For cartridges, insert a tight-fitting cap such as a caulk cap or the nozzle cap that came with the tube, or use a reusable silicone plug. For cut nozzles, fit a Tubanu-style replacement nozzle or a threaded cap to recreate the original seal. Keep tubes in a cool, stable environment away from direct sunlight and sources of heat, because temperature swings speed curing and degrade polymers. A utility closet or an interior garage shelf is better than an attic or near a heater. Always wipe the tip clean of skin and cured residue before sealing to avoid gaps that let air creep in. Use a rag or paper towel and a small tool like a nail to remove cured crust. For squeeze tubes, store them upright with the nozzle pointing up to let gravity keep material away from the opening. And for cartridges, store them upside down when practical to prevent the bead from hardening at the tip. Before reuse, test a small amount on scrap material and check tackiness and adhesion. If it strings, smells unusually strong, separates, or will not form a continuous bead, then discard it. Common mistakes include assuming any cap is sufficient where a loose cap allows air in and the caulk skins over. Use a purpose-made cap or tightly molded silicone plug to prevent that. Another issue is storing in hot or freezing locations, which causes polymer breakdown or phase separation. Move containers into a cool interior spot and avoid temperature extremes to fix ongoing softening or hardening. A third mistake is reusing tubes with cured material blocking the nozzle, which causes irregular extrusion and poor adhesion. Remove the cured plug, cut the nozzle slightly further back, and refit a new Tubanu type nozzle or cap so you can achieve a clean, continuous bead. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners and contractors around projects like caulk repair and long-term material management. We help homeowners find local contractors, and we help contractors find work, and we host a discussion community where users and professionals exchange techniques, product experiences, and storage tips.